Yo, what's up, tubers? This is SUPERDELL. Today I got another video, and it's a different one. It's no Android box, but it is all about your experience. Right here is the LuguLake. It is a Bluetooth soundbar with subwoofer. And watch when you see the size of the subwoofer and what it can do. Also, it has LED lights, built-in FM radio, with stands, and it's a two-part soundbar, and you're going to see that shortly. All of this from Amazon for $89. I'm going to get ready to get into details with it. We're going to unbox it, plug it in to see what it do, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Let's put this big old box on the floor. We're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show you everything that's inside. Alright. First thing first, we got some we got audio cables right here for the left and right speakers. And then we got audio to auxiliary, as you see right there. Put them on the table. Here's the speakers. Here's I don't know if this is the right or the left side right here, but take it out of the plastic. Put that over there. So here's one of the speakers right here. Here's the other speakers right here. And to think about it, they both come with stands. Put that right there. They come with some stands, as you see right here. And what you can do, if you want, you can just take this there you have it. Alright, so you could do that if you want. Pretty cool. Here's the other part right here. Put it on this side. And you just twist it. Simple as that. Or let me show you what you can do, because these stands look a little bit over 2 feet, maybe, something like that. Or if you take them loose, you can make it one big sound bar. And this is the two-part I was talking about. Get in there. There we go. Hold up. There it is. You can make just one big long piece sound bar. Pretty awesome though. It's nice. Sweet. So we'll do that. Also, it comes with remote control. They give you batteries, so we're gonna check that out. And then we got the big boy. Let me move some of this over. Put this on the table over here. It's all about the experience. It's all about the experience, y'all. Put that over here. Here's the big old subwoofer right there. As you see, you got your power button. Over here, you got your left, you got your Bluetooth. Fast forward or skip. Rewind or skip back. Fast forward is over here. And then right here, you got your scan for radio. You got a big old subwoofer at the bottom. You see that right there? And then in the back, at the top button right here, you can control the treble. You can control the bass. And this is where you'll be plugging everything, your audio in and out. Right there. This right here is the antenna for your FM radio. And then you got your on and off switch. And then you got your power. So I'm going to get ready to set it up. And the ultimate goal is to plug everything into this TV right here. So when I'm down here watching my movies, I get a great sound, crispy sound. But we're going to do a sound test and go from there. And then I try to angle it, hook everything up on the TV, and see how it plays. Stay tuned. Okay, as you see, here it is right here. Great, great, great so far. I forgot to mention too, right on the right hand side over here, when you facing the unit, it does have a USB. So if you have some USB or flash drive with music, you can put it right in here, and there you have it. So one thing about it that you could do, you could change the colors on the display. As you see right now, it's purple. So if I hit the light button, you see it turn green. You see it turn like a navy bluish. Then you got red. Then you got light blue, or more like lighter blue. And then what it does, you can have it just going through rotation, just changing colors. Pretty neat. At the end of the day, you definitely want the sound to work. All right, you want the sound. So with that being said, let me grab my tablet right here. All right, let me go into it. I would love to put on some rap music that just got some thump to it, but of course you don't want the copyright strike. So I got to go a whole nother route. First, let me pair it. All right, I found out what I have to do. First, you got to press and hold this Bluetooth option right here. Just press and hold it. Or look for it on your remote control. Just press and hold it. And it's going to come up as TV bar. That's the Bluetooth name, TV bar. So I'm about to connect it right now. And it should pair. There we go. We just got the notification. So it is connected. So let me go to the home and let me put on some music. All right. So I'm going to have to do some copyright music. From YouTube. I'm going to just use some music from YouTube. Let's see. Let me turn it up some. Let me just try this one. Let me turn the volume up. 16. Alright, you hear that? I'm going to go back here and mess with the treble, turn it up, and the bass. Bass thumping. Look, so far the bass is thumping. I only got the bass turned up half. And I don't know if you heard it when I was turning it up. It just really got the rattling. So, I mean, so far, it's good. Let's see if I can find anything else. Nope. Now, let me turn this down just a little bit. I ain't even have it all the way up. Let's see. I don't know. Don't like that song. See if we can find something. see, it's very, very clean. Hey, this is a go. This is a go. I'm messing with the household and everything. This is a go. Guys, this is very, very nice. This is very, very nice. So you can pause it right from your remote control. Hey guys, this is very, very, very nice. Very nice. So you know I'm going to hook it up to the TV and then go from there. As you heard, hopefully you heard, the sound is amazing. The bass is banging. For a nice size room, it should do you good. It should do you well. For a nice square footage, your room, living room, basement down here. I know it was cranking down here. And I didn't even turn it all the way up. So I think, like I said, I think this is a great device so far. And I'm definitely going to be playing with it. Again, I'm going to leave everything. You can go to my Amazon store if you want to make a purchase. And if you're having a little get together, hook up your phone, hook up your tablet, anything Bluetooth will connect to this bad boy. Again, it do have a USB slot over here, so if you have some music on your flash drive, you can definitely play it and go from there. But this is the LuguLake. This is a Bluetooth sound bar with subwoofer, and like I said, this is very, very nice. All right, very, very, very nice. So again, you can make this all one. Just take it loose. Go from here. Just match everything up. There you have it. You can make it one big long sound bar if you want. So guys, if you like the video, definitely thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go on subscribe. Also, share the video. It's all about experience, y'all. It's all about experience. All right? And I'm going to get ready to get up out of here and talk to y'all later. Peace.